So this is my diesel heater setup. It has the nice red shiny boxes, but I don't like to use them because it's very easy for me to just see how much diesel it has. This workshop is like a little bit more than a double garage. And first I bought one, and it works really great. I needed to have like a propane cannon to help it heat up the room very quickly, and then this would be going at maximum all day to just keep it like 18 here. But I was like having a moment with some suddenly I bought another one, and with two it's so much different. I can it has the RF radio remote, so I can have this in my bedroom, and I can start it from my bedroom whenever I want to go down here. And it would be like 3 degrees Celsius here, and with like 35 minutes it's about 18. And now it's really too warm for me, because yeah, I'm starting to sweating here. So we'll just put them up. Bought some extended pipes, and through the door I use rock wool, which is like stone wool on the outside. Then I put 2 exhaust tubes for a car through there, and then I put the exhaust from the diesel heater, and with the rock wool between the diesel heater exhaust and the exhaust tube also. So it's like 1, 2, 3 layers. And what I do for power, I have just a car battery, which is just always connected to a charger. And I have the power plug there, so if in case electricity will be gone, it can run from the battery, and it can cool down and do its procedure. Yeah, I have more car batteries, which this is from a boat and for another car, and so it doesn't really matter. I just use it. And here it's outside like this. You can see the exhaust tubes outside, the exhaust tubes. And as you can see, the longest one are the newest, so I haven't really taken time to shorten it down yet. But anyway, I put the display here on the wall, and okay, now it's running at 1.6 Hertz and 2500 RPM for a fan. I put them on altitude mode, and the top one has has the controller with the secret code, so I can use hertz here. On the other one I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's it. And I can sure push the one with the hertz much more, and I can make the fan go at 5000 RPM, so it's really quick in the morning to spread the heat. And I have seen the 242 degrees, but then I just started to take down the hertz because yeah, it's I think they shut off at the 250 or so. So it's not supposed to burn that hot. So, and now I need to stop them because I'm sweaty, and I got some projects as well. I like to tinker, that's why I need to have some heat. So I don't want to show you the rest because it's too messy. I need to clean up because I have been working on my bike today, fixed all the electricity, put on blinkers, whatever. And but I wanted to show you this.